Hi, I'm Hiromi Ueda, Global Makeup Artist at Armani Beauty. Today, I'm going to show you Armani Privé Spring-Summer makeup look. Inspiration behind the collection is jade. Everything is built around soft mint, jade green, and dusty pink tone. Very delicate, subtle shades that feels calm and refined. The look is all about balanced, perfected skin, soft colored eye, and lips that feels natural and elegant. To achieve this polished finish, we always begin with beautifully prepared skin. I applied Luminous Silk Illuminating Primer onto the face to enhance radiance. For the base, I use Luminous Silk foundation combined with concealer where needed. The products are buildable and blendable, so we apply small amount first and work in a light layer until we reach the right level of coverage. This way, the skin stays perfected and luminous without ever looking heavy or masked. The optimized shade range is ideal for runway show makeup. We had a match for everyone who walked the Privé show. The foundation gives everyone a fresh glow and looked amazing in the spotlight. The focus on the eyes, we use a custom lab pigment in a minty jade green shade onto the inner corner of the eyes on the show, but you can get a similar effect using mix of TINT 50S and 12S for the sparkling bright blue shade. We sculpted the outer corner of the eyes with peachy pink tone using TINT 27S and 44S. To deepen the look, I increase intensity along the lash line with TINT in 10S, softly diffuse for the seamless transitions in the shades. Everything softly blended together with TINT shade 12S to catch the light and create a subtle glow. The result is an eye look that feels fresh and luminous but elegant. To complete the eyes, I apply the generous coat of vertical lift mascara. The goal is lifted, defined lashes that frame the eyes without overpowering the delicate color work. This mascara gives incredible lift and volume. For the lips, we kept everything understated and natural. I apply lip power in 109 for fair skin using a gentle wash-off color rather than heavy application. The lips should feel effortless and perfectly balanced with the eyes. To complete the complexion, I highlighted the top of the cheekbone with a touch of aqua highlighter, just enough to catch the light and enhance the skin's natural glow. Then to softly sculpt the face, I used Luminous Silk concealer in a slightly deeper shade, applying it to the hollows of the cheeks for the subtle natural contour. The final result is a look that feels serene, luminous, and timeless, a true reflection of Armani Privé Spritz. This is an easy look that you can do on your own. Will you recreate the Armani Privé Spring-Summer look?